So we can take data from a particular website and we can do some processing, like some data analytics we might do, and after that we are going to visualize the data. Yes, that's what. And till now I think you people have know about ThingSpeak, correct? So that is also an IoT analytics tool only. And similarly we have seen Node-RED, correct? So as of it, if you take Node-RED separately, then you can also install Node-RED without integration with IBM also. So separately, if you use Node-RED, then that will also become a IoT analytics tool only. And now today I'm going to say about ThingsBoard. So ThingsBoard is also IoT analytics tool. Yes. So please understand what are those. Like ThingSpeak, like many people have done your J component project with respect to ThingSpeak, correct? So ThingSpeak, Node-RED, like if you don't take along with the IBM, then Node-RED, ThingsBoard, everything is nothing but it is IoT analytics tool. Yes, it is IoT analytics tool. So what do you mean by IoT analytics tool? We cannot say it is an IoT, correct? It is just a data analytics tool only. Yes, I cannot say it is IoT. It is just a data analytics tool only. So what you can do with the data analytics tool? You can take data from a particular website. You can do some processing. After that, you can give the visualization, correct? Yes. So that's what. Okay, so hope you people know about ThingSpeak, but anyway, I don't know about ThingSpeak. Leave about it. So Node-RED I have said you, and in today's experiment we are going to see ThingsBoard. Yes, okay. And if you know things, please let me know. And later on, if you tell like I know it before, please see it as like I feel somewhat. So if you know, you just let me know. Yes. So have anyone worked with ThingsBoard?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. I have given one link in the chat. Yes. So access the link, log in with Facebook or Google or whatever it is. Just log in, and after that you just let me know. Then we'll continue our experiment. Yes, I have given the link in the chat. So once you have done, tell me. We'll continue. We'll try to finish it soon.
Done.
Yes, okay. Yes, hope you could have got a web page like this, correct? Yes. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, other people in different slot, they have done something else, but I seriously don't like all those things. It is very simple. Thing is like by using a command prompt, just they have fed only one data. Like for example, if temperature is 59, so by using HTTP or MQTT, they just send the data to ThingsBoard, and after that they visualize that. So you can refer that also. Yes, you just go and refer that experiment also. But I'm not happy with that experiment, so I'm going to teach you something new, which will be useful for your project in future also. Yes. So if you want that, like you can get the document from other people also. It is very simple. But anyway, I don't know how it will be useful for doing project. But I think this will be useful for doing project. Yes. Okay. On the left here you can see different things, correct? Yes. So here you can see rule chains. Yes. Can you see? Do you have in your web page rule chains?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Click rule chain. Yes. And here you can create a new one. So there you here on the right corner you can see add rule chain. Correct? Yes. Click that. So create a new rule chain, and you can give a name. So now actually we are going to read open weather data. Yes, so you can give any name here. So name, no need to give description, and just add it. Yes. So once if you add, your chain will be like this, correct? Leave about the nodes. Yes. So leave about the nodes. This I have created. Just leave about all those things, and the chain appears like this, correct? See, in Node-RED flow editor also we used to call all the components as nodes, correct? And here also it is node only. Okay. So now we are going to create this flow. Actually, what we are going to do?
Ma'am, could you
Yes.
repeat after creating the name?
Sorry.
Ma'am, could you repeat after creating the new chain, add rule chain?
No, no. So once if you create a new rule chain, you will get like this, correct? Yes,
No,
here
ma'am.
you can see the nodes. On the left, you can see the nodes, and here the blank page, correct? With only one input node. Yes? Yes or no? This I have created is like whatever I have.
The input node.
Now we are getting something different.
Something different. Okay, I just want
Yes.
to see what is different. Okay, someone can share. Aditya, I'm making you as a presenter. Hope you are doing along with me. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing. I can present.
Yes, Aditya, share the screen.
Ma'am, this is what I'm getting when I'm clicking on the.
That's what I have said, na.
But that chain, that chain is not there, ma'am. The one at the bottom.
No, that we are going to create, Aditya.
Oh.
That we are going to create. I have already created. Okay,
Okay.
Gauranga. Hope you are also getting a screen like this, correct? Yes or no?
Can I share, ma'am, my screen?
Why? Why yours is different, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See, I have created the flow. Okay, so for me it is like this, and you people are going to create. See, what we are going to create is like we are going to create we are going to take the data from the open weather map, and we are going to display a particular values. For example, we are going to display a temperature or humidity, whatever it is of a particular area. Yes. So just open weather map also. So before that, what we have to do is like go to assets. Yes, go to assets. So now we created a rule chain, correct? So but anyway, a few more things we have to do. Go to assets. Yes, so there also you how to create an asset. I'll tell you why we are doing all those things. Yes, so here you can see add assets, correct? So click that, give add new asset, and give the name as building. Yes, building, and asset type also building. Yes, I have already created for me it is showing this way, correct? So in both the case you just give a building, but anyway you can give anything else also, no problem. So add it, okay? Just add it. Done. Okay, create. You have added created an asset also. So it looks like this, correct? So this one I have created, and you people have created something else, correct? Yes. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And after that, here you can see customers, correct? So till now we have created rule chain, and then we have created asset. Have you all completed till this? Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So customers is there, correct? So just click this customer. Okay. And here you can click any customer. So I am just taking customer B. Okay, so for the customer B, I'm just going to give the attributes. And why I'm giving this attribute is like, so if I give this attributes only, then I can create the dashboard. Yes. So what I have said, so we are going to access the open weather data, correct? Okay. So here I have given the attributes. So here you can see edit symbol, correct? If it is not there, you can create a new one also. Attributes, you can create new one. And key you just give it as app ID. It can be any name also. The key can be any name also, but I have given it as app ID, application ID, and here I have given the value. This value is nothing but API key of the Open Weather Map. This you people know, correct? So we have taken that, correct? So just open weather map site, and then take the key, and after that you just give the key. Yes, so add the attributes. So while adding the attributes, give the key as app ID, and the value let it be string, value type let it be string, and the string value what you have to give, you have to give the API key of the Open Weather Map website. Yes, so it is unique for everyone, correct? So that you have to give. Yes, so meanwhile I will also open this Open Weather Map once again. You people also open that. Yes, this key value you have to give it here. Yes, so this is a key for me. It says so. This key I have generated, correct? So you have to take it from your credential that you have to give. Yes, is that clear? Yes. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, have you given this? See, please remember why we are creating these attributes. Suppose if you want to do if you want to give it in a dashboard, by using these attributes only we can create the dashboard. Yes, like whatever things we have to give, that we have to give under attributes.
Ma'am, how did you get the key for the weather?
Open this website, Open Weather Map. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you opened? And here you can see from your account itself, you can see what is my API keys. Yes, so if you click that, you can get to know what is the key.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Yes. Okay, have you completed till this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so once you have done, you just make a change. Yes, so again go to assets. Click this building. We have created this before, correct? Click this building. And again here you can see, see for me it is like unassigned from customer, it is there, correct? See, for you it could have okay, someone can share, I guess. Aditya, share your screen. I'll tell you. Aditya, share your screen. Yes, what happened? Huh. Yes, so here you can see assign to customer, correct? Click that, assign to customer. Click that, and here you can select. You just click there. Here you can select. Okay, so I have selected customer B. So you can select any customer and then again give assign. Okay, so we have assigned a customer for the building. Okay, yes. So again, one more time, you just click the building. Now we have to add the attributes. Yes, so go to attributes. Okay, that for that I'll share my screen. So now we have to add attributes. So please remember why we are adding attributes. Suppose if you want to display any data after data analytics, like by means of how we can identify that, by means of attributes only we can identify that. Yes, so for that we have to create the attributes before. Yes, so attributes. No attributes format. Yes, so it is there, correct? See, what you can do is like, if you want to monitor the weather of a particular location, you have to take the latitude and longitude, and that you have to give it here. So this is for New York, yes. So here you can see add, yes. So just click add, and key is nothing but it is a name, yes. So here I have given latitude, and here we are going to give the value, correct? So make it as double, value type as double, and just enter this value 40.7127. Yes. Otherwise, it may be with respect to specific city also. So whichever city, whichever weather data you want to know, so you have to give the particular latitude and longitude. Yes, is that clear? Give key value as latitude and the type as double and value like this. Yes, so like this you have to create 3 attributes. Done. Yes, do this. Sorry.
Ma'am, longitude value I can't see.
Value you could not see, is it?
Ma'am, it's not clearly visible. Can you just read it once? The longitude value.
I'll give it in this one.
What is the data type for the last one, the units one?
String.
Okay.
Can you give latitude value? Can you see Atul? Now it is -74. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you have done all those things, fine. Then we can carry on. Created. Then no need for the last one also. Units metric. It is not required also, but anyway, leave it. Done. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, so we have created all those things, correct? So just we are going to take what is a location. So for the particular location, what is the temperature and humidity? That's what we are going to see. So these are like initial things we have to do. Yes, okay. Initial settings we have to do. So next comes like rule chain. So now we can go to rule chain. Yes. I mean, what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now go to rule chain. So whichever rule chain you have created, that you have to click, correct? So here you can see open rule chain. Directly you can open from here also. So just click that. So you have created one, correct? But I don't know what name you have given. Screen is not visible, is it?
Ma'am, it's stuck.
Not visible, ma'am. Stuck.
Yoda. Why I am facing this problem? Now?
Yes, now it's
Yes, ma'am.
just changed.
No, is it fine?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Can you? Okay, fine. Okay, so we have to keep all the nodes. Okay, so the first node is generator request, and here you can see what does it mean. So it will periodically generate a message. Yes. So here just type a generator request. Yes. So if you type generator here, you can see this, correct? So just take that and keep it as like this, like as we have done in node, right? Yes. So first one is generator. So just take that and keep it here. Done. First node. I'm speaking about first node. The first node name is generator. It will periodically generate the message. Yes. Done. Hello.
Yes,
Asking
ma'am.
for name, message count,
Yeah, we are getting some additional details. They are
uh,
asking.
add rule node generator.
What additional details you are getting?
Add rule node generator. There it's
Okay.
asking for.
No, you just click that, and then here you can see details. Yes. So give the name as generator request, and what is the purpose of this? It will periodically generate the signal, correct? So generator request, no need to change other things, and the type you can select asset, and we have assigned one building for the asset, correct? So that you have to select. That's it. Yes, type it is asset, and what we have assigned for that, that you have to give. Remaining things you don't need to do anything. By default it is there, correct? So return like this, it is there, correct? Function under generate. Yes,
Now it's a different value we have in the function.
you don't have in this format, is it?
No,
Ma'am, we
I mean,
have this. We also have extra stuff.
yeah.
You just remove all those things, you just
And
keep only this.
that sensor data is that where IoT sensor data is showing here.
See, we are not going to access IoT sensor. Yes, we are going to read open weather map data of a particular location. Yes, so you just keep this function till this. If any extra things are there, you just delete it. Done.
1 minute.
Otherwise, shall I share this code?
Yes, ma'am. Can you just put it in the chat box because our code is different.
But annoying is like when I created. Yes, I'm giving. Okay. Okay, then actually I can export this also. Shall I download and give it to you? Make it fast, otherwise. Yes, I have given there. Just verify this. Yes, the most important thing is like here you have to select asset because we have assigned asset only. Yes, and what is the asset we have assigned? Building. Yes, so that you have to give for the building only. We have given the open weather key, API key, correct, for that particular building. So only we are assigning all those things here. Completed, and here you just check this debug mode. Yes, select this debug mode. Done. Am I audible? Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, completed. Completed or not? I have given the code and the message.
Yes, ma'am, completed
Yes,
till
ma'am. This part is done. Generator is.
Okay. Close this. And about the connection, I'll let you know later. And next, you have to take the node, get customer API key. Yes. So just go to the node and click customer. Customer attributes. Yes. Here you can see customer attributes. Correct. Yes. Can you see customer attributes? So second node is customer attributes. So you just leave about the connection between the generator and the customer attributes. I'll tell about that later. Yes, I'll tell about that later. Just keep another node. The another node is nothing but it is customer attributes. Yes. So keep the customer attributes. Can you able to identify the customer attributes? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so double click on that. So just here you give this app ID because this is the key we have assigned, correct? For the attributes, this is the key we have assigned, correct? So app ID, both it is like app ID only. So that's what you have to do. And name anything you can give, just give customer API key, that's it. Yes, for the API key, we have given this is a corresponding key, correct? App ID, while creating the attributes, that's what we have given, yes, that's, and I'm just giving the name of the key. And again, you check this debug mode. For each node, you just check the debug mode.
Done now.
See, the most important thing is like what is the source attribute key name and the target attribute key name. That is most important. You can give any name here. Yes, and you just check this debug mode. That's it. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Next node is originator attributes. Yes, originator attributes. So here you can click that. So here you can see originator attributes, correct? So that is the third node. Node. Keep the third node and just click this. And here, here you have to give the attribute, right?
Ma'am, I think your screen is stuck again. Like I can still see the previous one, the customer API. Yeah, now it
Okay,
is.
1 second.
Now the chain is visible.
Yeah, I am in 1 gram. Okay, gram. Okay, so it is like this. With lot of difficulties, I'm taking care for you people. Okay.
Now it's okay.
Okay, now can you see the flow?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so originator attributes, you just give the attributes like whatever we have given under the assert. Okay, so these are the attributes we have given under the asserts, correct? A latitude, longitude, and units. Yes, so that alone you give here. So meanwhile I'll try to check this connection. Yes, you just give this. Okay, hope you people can see the screen now. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so check this one, debug mode. And most important thing is like here you have to add. Do you know how to add this? Just you type the thing and after that click somewhere, it will get added. Yes. So this is very important here.
Showing different now.
Server attributes. So can you able to add the attributes?
No, ma'am. It's showing different, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's showing originator type filter. It's showing.
What is the problem? Share the screen. Share the screen. Someone has said some problem, correct?
Ma'am,
Hello.
give access.
Only you are facing a problem, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
This online teaching is very bad, correct?
Showing this type. Originator type filters.
No, here you select assert, na? You just select assert.
Here, I have to remove device.
Yes, you have to remove device. We have not added device, correct? Till now, I have not said about device. Assert, that's all. Why do you go back? Add, give add.
Okay, ma'am. Got.
I don't know whether we are going to see. I did not ask you to take originator type. I asked you to take the originator attributes. Gauranga.
Okay, ma'am. Got. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Okay, you will get it. Yes, I'll share my screen. You stop sharing. Okay, please take the notes properly. It is originated attributes. Yes, it is attributes, and there under server attributes you just add the things like whatever we have given under assert. Yes. Now can you able to add? Just type it and then add. So no need to change other things. Done? Is my screen is visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, next node is like API call, REST API call. So just give, here we are going to give the URL, okay? REST API call. Yes, just if you click type REST, you can get to see REST API call. This is the node. This is the fourth node. Just keep it here, and I'll give you the URL. You just give that URL here. I'll explain you. You just give this URL. Okay, so here it is defined, correct? See, this is the website of the open weather. Yes, so till this it is a weather, this thing, and here like we have given the attributes, correct? From there it will take, yes, latitude, longitude, then units, and then API address, API key value. So everything it will take it from the attributes. Yes, so that also we have to give along with the URL of open weather map. We have to give like this also with the $sign. Yes. Okay, and one more thing, request mode. A request mode is get, because we are getting from the URL, correct? So the request mode is get. It is similar to the thing like whatever we have done in Node-RED. But other than that, like here extra things we are giving, correct? So it represent like the attributes. It will directly get it from that attributes. Yes, done. And don't forget, so in all the nodes, you just check this debug mode. Completed?
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am. What is the URL you are given here, ma'am?
URL?
In this node, which URL is that?
Open weather map URL. Along with that, we are giving the particular location of that also and key also. This
Okay,
one
ma'am,
only.
thank you.
This one only. Open weather map. This URL only we have taken. But along with that, we are giving the particular location and then the corresponding key of yours, your credential. Yes. So this I have given in the chat. You just take it and keep it here. Yes. Shall I continue? Shall I go to next node?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. The next one is script. So this is similar to the function node. Okay, like we used in Node-RED, correct? So the script is similar to the function node. So just type script and keep it here. So the fifth node is script node. So here, like whichever data we need, yes, only that we can write it here. Yes. So this is similar to the function node and the change node, like whatever we have seen in Node-RED. Okay, so whichever data you want, only that data you can filter out. See, I'm just giving the code. Yes, I'm giving the code. You just take it and keep it under the function. I'm just clicking this. So under function, you paste this. And name you can give anything, correct? So name is, it does not mean that you have to give the same name, you can give any name. So this is similar to the function and change node. Like we are filtering, yes? Okay, so just we are going to take the maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and then humidity. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Finally, the last node, it is time series. Okay, so here you can see save time series, correct? Yes. So take that, save time series. So no need to give anything there. Yes. So no need to give anything there. Just give the name and then check this debug. Okay. So till now we have given how many nodes? 6 nodes, correct? So how to connect these nodes? That I'll teach you. Okay, please listen. You try to join this node and this node, and when you try to join, you'll get a pop-up like this. Yes. So here you can see a link labels. Yes. So here for this, it is only success or failure. So just give success. Okay. If it's success only, the flow will take place consecutively. Yes. So here you just give success, and similarly you have to do this for all other connection. Yes, is that clear? Can you able to do the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Join all the nodes.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Yes? Okay. So here you can see apply changes, correct? Please don't forget. So it is not like Node-RED. So in Node-RED, for saving the changes, we'll give this one, correct? Deploy, correct? And similarly, here also, here it is showing apply changes, correct? So here you can see 3 symbols. So that second one is like apply changes. You just give apply changes. Otherwise, it will not be saved. Yes. So this is very important. Have you all saved? Just give apply changes.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes,
Completed?
ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to create a dashboard for this. Okay. So on the left you can see dashboards, correct? Can you see dashboards?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Click dashboards and create a new one. So I'm also going to do with you only. Create new dashboard. It can be anything. Yes. So it's open weather, correct? Remaining things, no need to give anything else. Just give the name and add. Yes. And just open this. Here you can see open dashboard, correct? Yes. So open dashboard. And here we have to add widgets. So here you can see edit symbol. Shall I continue? Am I going fast? So on the right, you can see edit mode, correct? So click that. So here give add new widgets. So first we'll create a map. Yes, we'll try to find the location. So for that we have to go to maps. Many widgets are there. So anything you can select. So it is location, correct? So any map you can select. I'm selecting OpenStreetMap. Okay. Can you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so give add, and here it is very important. Okay, it is not difficult at all, important. Okay, so you can give any name. So if you click here, it will ask. Okay, so create a new one, correct? So just click create a new one. Again, you can give any name. Yes, and then filter type. Filter type is like we have created an asset, correct? We have created asset. Similarly, you can create a device, you can create an entity, many things you can do, but we have created an asset. So it is asset type. Yes. And what is the asset we have created? We have created a building, correct? Only to the building we have assigned APIs, all those things. So it is like building. And here also you can give building. So this is a name we have given, correct? Asset name starts with building, correct? So give that, like whatever name you have given, that name you have to give, and after that you have to add. Yes? Have you completed till this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, add. And after that, no need to do with filter. Just click entity time series are required, correct? So here you can get to see, correct? Many things you can get to see. Why map is not coming? Latitude, longitude, it has to come, but why it is not coming?
Ma'am, it's coming from me. Like I'm getting like that. Latitude, longitude.
Yes, yes.
You
Okay.
get
For me, it is not showing. I don't know. I feel it is network issue. You just select latitude, longitude, and unit. Yes. All the three you select. All the three should be there. After selecting all the three, you just give add. Okay. Then you can see the map. Okay. You just share the screen
Ma'am, it's
because
showing is found for me.
yes, ma'am.
share the screen because I think it is mainly because of network issue. So you just share it. Other people can
Sharing.
see.
Yeah, I've got this.
Yes, yes. So it is giving the where the corresponding location. Yes, we have given the latitude and longitude. Correct. It belongs to New York, so it is showing that place. Yes. So this is a map. So everyone got it. This is the location.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it's showing no keys found for me. It's like written there no keys found.
Atul, if you have not created properly, then it will be a problem. Yes, it may be the reason. So if you have done properly, you will get it. But anyway, I'll see your screen later. Others, Gauranga, Daniel, Pulkit.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am,
map is
got it,
not.
ma'am.
Ma'am, map is not coming, ma'am. It's showing blue, ma'am.
I got it, ma'am.
Same for me.
What it is showing?
Ma'am, over there he is getting the map, now, ma'am. I am getting blue, ma'am. Complete screen is blue, ma'am, over there.
Okay,
show
which
this
widget you have selected?
Ma'am, I have selected the Google Maps, ma'am. That one, ma'am. Street map I didn't select, ma'am.
But whatever it is, it has to show the location if you select latitude. Abhishek, please, you just delete it and one more time you try. You will get it,
Yes,
I guess. If not, we'll see. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so first I'll finish this. Afterwards, I'll see, okay, what problem you people are facing. Yes, we'll see it. Okay, I'll do one more thing because it's not showing for me, correct? Latitude, longitude, all those things, it is not showing for me. So, okay, I'll create one more thing and I'll show you. And next time we are, see, on the same dashboard you can create, okay? So there itself, one more time you give add widgets. Yes, so you just click that. If not here, here you can see, correct? Add symbol, correct? So add, create new widget, and here you select charts. Okay, now we are going to display the temperature and humidity. Okay, that's what we have filtered, correct? So it is a time series, correct? It is a time series line chart. So select time series line chart. The same thing only. Add. So if you have already created open weather, let it be like that only. And here you can see humidity, correct? So you can plot the humidity and then just give add, okay? So it will tell what is the present humidity. And similarly, you can add it for the temperature also. Yes, charts, time series, add, open weather key. So let it be maximum temperature. Yes, add. Yes, so like this you can add. Okay, so you can keep it also. You can arrange things also. And one more thing also you can see, like what are the things we have extracted. So for that you have to add cards. So cards, under cards you can take entities table. Yes, again add. It is open weather. So here you, okay, so now it is showing. Yes, so now for me it's showing latitude, longitude. Now I can create a map. So here you just select all those things, okay, whichever you want to give
Ma'am,
it in a
for me,
table.
it's showing smoky form.
Gauranga, that's what I have said, correct? If you have not created properly, then it would be a
For
problem.
that
I'll come to you later, no problem. I'll come to you later.
For that,
Yes.
it's not.
See, you can form a table also, like whichever things we are extracting from that particular website. So that also you can give. Yes. So 3 things I have done. So one more is left, map, correct? I'll do that also. Many things you can do. So you can add as many as widgets you want in a corresponding dashboard. Okay, Abhishek, which one you have selected? Google Maps, yes? Okay, I'm also selecting Google Map. We'll see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we'll see. Add this one.
Ma'am, filter type, we have to select entity type, ma'am. In filter type, ma'am, add aliases, ma'am.
You see, for me it's showing, correct? I have selected Google Maps only.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I guess I have selected the entity wrong, ma'am. Filter type, ma'am. Can you please tell me, ma'am, filter type, ma'am? What exactly I have selected, ma'am?
One second,
Add
one
aliases,
second.
ma'am.
Okay, again I'm going with chart, time series. Okay, so here while adding, here it should be entity, okay? Here it should be entity, and here you can create it, okay? If not, you can create it. For example, I'm creating one more thing, okay? I'm creating one more thing. I'm not using that. For you, I'm showing. So it is like weather. It will show. It is not there. Do you want to create? But actually, it is not showing for me. So again, network problem, I guess. So if you give some other name, it will show, okay? So
Yes,
there, carefully you have to select. Okay, you just share the screen. I'll tell you what are the what things you have to do. Yes. So like this, you can create the dashboard, correct? Yes. This is easy compared to Node-RED. I guess I don't know. So please use this also in your project. Yes.
Yes.
Done. Okay. So that is about things board. Many things are there with the things board. I think you can node MCU, all those things, many things are there. Yes, you just explore this and do it. Okay, I'll make you as a presenter. You just share it. Stop.